Hi, welcome to another vlog. Today night I'm the only one at home. My mom is working on night shift and my brother went to party with one of my cousins. For my dinner tonight I'm making chicken liver. To make this I'm using marinated deep fried chicken, onion, kind of bell pepper and red chili, peppers, salt and tomato sauce. To this I make tomato sauce at home. If you can try this, it is so delicious. Today evening it will start to rain. I think until tomorrow morning it will continue. And today I am the only one at home. My mom on night shift at work and my brother went to party with my cousin. So this is for only me and I'm happy. Happy to spend some alone time. After refreshing, I went straight to kitchen. Today morning, I am going to cook for my family. Today menu beetroot curry, cabbage leaf mixture and fried mushroom. I start YouTube recently, so there is no many followers or views. But when I upload my vlog, there is few views, and it made me really happy. It made my hope alive. Actually, I wanted to start YouTube 4 years ago, but I'm introvert and overthinking, so never started but dreamed about it, but I'm not regretting it. Finally, I got strength and start last year. I think I start to love about myself last year. Today I'm really proud about myself. I don't care other people's opinion about myself anymore. I only care about my dream and gonna brings her to my dream. I know it is not easy, but if I did not try, I will be failure and I don't want to be failure. Day by day, I'm learning new things about videography and editing. I really want to thank people who is watching me. You are making this little girl stronger. Thank you for your support. Becoming adult is really hard. One moment I'm focused on my dream, my future, and trying to figure out if I'm moving fast enough. Life is not waiting for me to have everything figured out. Learning to keep moving forward while accepting that some things are changing behind you. I am still figuring it out, but I am becoming someone I be proud of. Thank you for joining with me today. Bye.